Have you ever wondered about the story behind the majestic symbol that represents the soul of our nation? A symbol that speaks of unity, strength and pride. Hi everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating history, importance and secrets of India's national emblem. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Our national emblem is not just an image. It's a masterpiece with deep meaning and rich history. Adopted on January 26, 1950, it's a representation of the Lion Capital of Ashoka, which dates back to the 3rd century BCE. This symbol is taken from a pillar erected by Emperor Ashoka in Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. It's a perfect blend of our ancient heritage and modern identity. The national emblem is made up of 4 lions standing back to back on a circular base. If you look closely, you'll notice something interesting. In most pictures, you can see only 3 lions because it's shown in 2-dimensional view. These lions are not just decorations. They have a powerful meaning. They represent courage, strength and confidence, qualities that every Indian are proud of. Below these lions is a round base called the abacus. It's decorated with 4 animals: a bull, a horse, a lion and an elephant. Each animal has its own special meaning. The bull represents hard work and strength. The horse stands for energy and speed. The lion again is for bravery. And the elephant symbolizes patience and wisdom. These animals are separated by wheels called the Dharma Chakras, which represent the path of righteousness and the teachings of Buddhism. At the very bottom, we have the Ashoka Chakra. It's a wheel with 24 spokes and it's all about the laws of life and movement. You've probably seen it before. It's also in the center of our national flag. Isn't it amazing how each part of the emblem tells a story about India's values and heritage? Let's step back into history. The Lion Capital was built by Emperor Ashoka after he embraced Buddhism. It represents his journey from a warrior to a messenger of peace. The pillar itself was a marker for spreading the teachings of Dharma. When India gained independence, we chose this symbol to remind us of our roots and the values like non-violence and tolerance. It's a bridge between our glorious past and promising future. You might have seen the national emblem in many places. But have you ever thought about why it's there? The emblem is everywhere for a reason. It serves as a powerful mark of authenticity and authority. You can spot it on all official documents like birth certificates, Aadhaar cards and legal papers. It's printed on our passports and embossed on currency notes, symbolizing trust and national integrity. Our government buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Supreme Court proudly display the emblem as a representation of India's sovereignty. It's also engraved on the medals awarded to our brave soldiers, reminding them and us of the values we stand for. Even our coins carry this symbol, making it a part of our everyday lives. Every time we see the national emblem, it serves as a reminder not just of our rich history, but also of our responsibilities as citizens. It's there to inspire us, to contribute to our nation's growth and uphold its values. The national emblem commands immense respect. There are strict rules for its usage. It cannot be used for commercial purposes or without permission. Disrespecting it is considered a punishable offense. This ensures that the emblem remains a symbol of honor and pride for every Indian. Did you know that our emblem is unique compared to those of other nations? It's deeply rooted in history and culture, unlike many that are purely modern creations. It's not just a design, it's a timeless link to our heritage. The intricacy of our details is astonishing, almost like solving a puzzle. Every element has been thoughtfully crafted to symbolize something greater. From the fierce lions to the Dharma Chakra, each feature connects us to the philosophy of Dharma, reminding us of the importance of living a life of truth, justice and righteousness. In today's world, the emblem is more than just a design. It's a representation of India's sovereignty and democratic values. It reminds us of the struggles our freedom fighters endured and the dreams they had for this nation. Isn't it amazing how one symbol can carry so much meaning? Every time you see the national emblem, let it inspire you to be a proud and responsible citizen of India. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse Wiley. See you next time.